Hi and welcome to the Puzzle T-Shirt Quilt Series. This is the first of 5 videos in this series, and my name is Susan and I'm the owner of Prayeriewife Quilting. I make custom puzzle t-shirt quilts for clients. I'm a long arm quilter and I've made hundreds of quilts over the last several decades. I love quilts. But one thing that makes these puzzle t-shirt quilts so special is the way that they are made, and that's what I'm going to go over in the video series. The shirts are cut according to the size and the shape of the logo. So for the smaller cuts, you can have a nice smaller square, and for the larger cuts, you can have those cut according to that size and shape. And for a traditional style t-shirt quilt, this one, actually both of them are mocked up in Illustrator, but these are all cut to the same size regardless of the size of the logo on the shirt, and it's put together in rows and columns. Which brings me to another benefit of this style is that you can include quite a few more shirts, which means you're capturing more accomplishments, memories, trips, occasions, etc. You're getting the bigger picture. In the second video, I'll go over choosing and sorting your shirts, and how to evaluate what you have. I'll also be talking about whether or not to use interfacing, and actually it's a personal preference choice. You can use either one, but I'll go over those options. In the third video, I'll go over cutting your shirts to a grid. I personally use a 4-inch grid, so the smaller cuts are cut in 4-inch by 4-inch squares and in increments of 4-inch. So I'll have 4 by 8, 8-inch square, 8 by 12, etc., all cut in 4-inch increments. And that's how you're able to achieve this puzzle style. I use Illustrator to put my puzzle together, so to speak, using actual images of the shirts, and we can talk about that in a later video. And in video 4, I'll talk about the construction and using partial seams. They're not hard to do, and I'll walk you through that step by step. And in video 5, we'll talk about finishing and quilting. I have a long arm machine. I quilt quilts for others. I long arm quilt digitally. If you don't have that option, I'll go over some other options for you to finish your quilt. So at the end of the series, I hope that you'll have your own custom puzzle t-shirt quilt. But make sure you like and subscribe so you can be notified when the next video comes out. I'm also going to include lots of process videos of making different t-shirt quilts in addition to this series. So I'll address different scenarios, challenges that come up as you're making t-shirt quilts. And so be sure to check those out as well. But thank you for joining me. I'm excited for our journey together to make a custom puzzle t-shirt quilt.